In today's competitive market, standing still means falling behind. Automation is the future, and with Delta Electronics, it's already here. From recycled raw materials to the finished product, our complete range of cutting-edge automation ensure precision, efficiency, and unparalleled quality. And with Delta's powerful controllers and intuitive management software, we make it easy to plan your maintenance and optimize for energy efficiency. As tastes evolve, so should your manufacturing. Delta ensures your beverage line is not just fast, but also flexible, adapting to market demands with ease. From the beginning to the final touch, we meticulously orchestrate every phase of your production line as your trusted solutions partner in factory automation. For more than 50 years, Delta has redefined industry standards, propelling businesses into the future. Choose Delta. Automate with the best. Achieve more.